Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee, and I just want to do a quick tutorial with you guys. Again, it's always zippers, so I'm just going to do a quick one. This one is, you can see here, the zipper thing is broke. So this would just come right off and you won't be able to zip your zipper up. So we need to replace it with a new zipper pin box, which, let me hold it up, which is one of these little boxes here. So we're going to put a new one on there. So you're going to need some super glue, the new pin box, the retainer box, some needle nose pliers, some nippers, and some needle nose pliers, but I'm going to use these ones instead. So first thing is you're going to remove the broken piece here. So we need to get that piece off so that we can replace it with the new one. You want to be very careful that you don't cut this. So that's already removed. You would also use a lighter for this, but I don't need a lighter because it's still sealed really good there. So now I'm just going to take my retainer box here and I'm gonna slide it right over that area, just like that. Now, before I pinch this closed, I'm gonna take it off real fast and I'm gonna put some super glue on it. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's a lot of super glue. Take the super glue, and this is the brushed super glue, so it's a little bit easier. We're just gonna brush some glue on the area, and this is because we don't want this to fall off again or break again. And now you're gonna just slide that on there, push it all the way up to your coils, and then I'm going to take my needle nose or my little pinchers and I'm going to pinch that bottom edge really good, as well as right here. And we want to pinch that pretty good to seal that in place. I'm going to wipe off any excess glue so it doesn't mess anything up. And we're going to pinch it again just to make sure it's tight. Close. And then we're just going to pull our slider down. I want to make sure we can zip our zipper up. And there we have it. Now you didn't even have to replace your entire zipper on your coat. And we're going to let this dry a little bit so that our slider doesn't get stuck in it. And that is it. That is how you replace your pin box. Super easy. No super messy thing. No having to remove your whole zipper. Hope this little quick tutorial helped. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Anyways, I hope that this helped you guys, and I hope you have a top-notch night. Bye.